Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coaching Katta. Stay home, stay safe and study with Coaching Katta. And I am your online coach Mrs. Anupriti Gazre. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, then click on the subscribe button and stay connected. Press bell icon to get notifications. Today we are going to study Science 1 for 10th standard. In the previous video, we have studied groups and periods and electronic configuration of elements. Today, we are going to study the periodic classification of elements, part 5. In this video, we are going to discuss about periodic trends in the modern periodic table. When the properties of elements in a group or in a period of modern periodic table are compared, certain regularity is observed in their variations. It is called the periodic trends in the modern periodic table. Today we are going to study only one property of element, that is valency. In the previous standard, you have already learned that valency of an element is determined by the number of electrons present in the outermost shell of its atom. You very well know that the electrons present in the outermost shell are called as valence electrons. Now, what is meant by valency? So, valency is the number of electrons accepted or donated by an atom. In other words, valency is the combining capacity of an atom. Now, think about these questions. What is the relationship between the electronic configuration of an element and its valency? Second question, what is the periodic trend in the variation of valency while going from left to right within a period? And the third one, what is the periodic trend in the variation of valency while going from top to bottom within a group? To find the answers, watch the video up to end. Now, let us first discuss about the periodic trend of valency along periods. Let us consider second period. The elements and their electronic configuration is shown here. We observe that here are two shells in each atom and the valence electrons goes on increasing from left to right. That is, lithium has only one valence electron, beryllium has two valence electrons, boron has three valence electrons, and so on. Neon has 8 valence electrons. So, while going from left to right within a period, within any period, number of valence electrons per shell goes on increasing. Now, let us see the diagram here. Electronic configuration of second period is shown by diagram here. Lithium contains two shells and only one valence electron. Beryllium has two shells and contains two valence electrons. Boron has it contains two shells and three valence electrons and so on. So observe the figure. Now, as per the definition of valency, let us find out the valencies of these elements. So first consider lithium. Lithium has one valence electron. So it donate one electron and complete its duplet. So its valency equal to 1. Beryllium contain two valence electrons. So it donate 2 electrons and complete its duplet, so its valency equal to 2. Carbon accept or donate 4 electrons to get stability. Therefore, its valency equal to 4. For nitrogen, it is easy to accept 3 electrons to complete octet instead of donating 5 electrons. Therefore, its valency is 3. Neon has completely filled outermost orbital. Its octet is complete, so it does not accept or donate electrons. Therefore, its valency equal to 0. So, the corresponding elements, their valence electrons and valencies are shown in the following table. Let us observe the table. Write down the table in your notebook. Now, let us see the trend in variation of valency in the third period. Observe the table. Here, sodium donate 1 valence electron and so is valence equal to 1. Again, consider magnesium. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 2. So, valence electrons are 2. Therefore, it donate 2 electrons to complete octet. Therefore, its valence equal to 2. Like this, chlorine, the configuration is 287. Valence electrons are 7. So, chlorine accept 1 electron to complete octet. Therefore, the valency of chlorine equal to 1. Argon, so see the configuration of argon, it's 288. Argon has 8 valence electrons. It does not accept or donate electrons because its octet is completely filled. Therefore, its valency equal to 0. So, conclusion is in periods while going from left to right, valency varies, means it changes. Now, let us study the variation in the valency down the groups. Observe the table given here. The electronic configurations of some elements is shown here. Let's go through it. Observe the figure here. The first group elements are shown here. The configuration of elements is given hydrogen, lithium, sodium and potassium. These are first group elements. Now see the diagram of electronic configuration of these elements. Hydrogen has one shell and only one valence electron. Lithium has two shells and again it contains only one valence electron. Sodium contains three shells but again it contains only one valence electron. See the configuration of potassium. It contains four shells but again it contains only one valence electron. All these elements have same number of valence electrons in the outermost shell. Number of shells goes on increasing, still the valence electrons remains same down the group. Some other groups are shown here. Observe their electronic configuration and valence electrons and corresponding valency. For group number 1, the valency equal to 1. For group number 2, valency equal to 2. Group number 17 is shown here, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Their valence electrons are 7, therefore valence equal to 1 because they accept 1 electron to complete their octet, therefore valence equal to 1. In the last 0 group elements or 18 group elements are shown here. Their outermost orbital is completely filled, therefore their octet is complete, therefore valence electrons are 8. They do not accept or donate electrons, therefore their valence equal to 0. Now conclusion is, in groups while going down, valency remain same. Now this is the summary of the above 2 points. Just go through it. Periods, valence electrons goes on increasing and valency varies or changes. In groups from top to bottom, valence electrons remain same and also corresponding valency remains same. In the next video, we will study the other property and its trend in group and in periods. Till then, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe, and study with Coaching Katta. Thank you.